Marsupials list while kangaroos, koalas, and opossums are definitely among the popular lot. The list of marsupials is not restricted to them. It also comprises gliders, donards, and bandicoots, which may not be popular but are quite amazing in themselves. Did you know? The Virginia opossum, Didelphis virginiana, is the only marsupial found in the United States. Kangaroos and koalas are typically characterized by the presence of a pouch as a part of their anatomy in which they carry their young ones. This pouch, which is known as marsupium in Latin, forms the basis of classification when it comes to marsupials. Simply put, marsupials Mettatheria infraclass of mammals are animals in whom the females carry their young ones in a pouch on their body throughout infancy. As of today, as many as 334 extant species of marsupials have been identified, around 70% of which are found in Australia and New Guinea, an island in the Pacific which is governed by Indonesia and Papua New Guinea. The rest of the species are spread over South America, Central America, and North America. Facts about marsupials before we move ahead. You need to understand that the pouch is just one of the characteristic traits of marsupials, not the sole criterion of classification. Not all marsupials sport a permanent pouch. In fact, some species just have folds of skin wherein they house the newborns. Other characteristics of the members of this infraclass of mammals include a short gestation period and a long lactation period. Basically, the short period which the young ones spend in the womb is supplemented by the lengthy lactation period wherein the young ones stay in the pouch and feed on the mother's milk. Though the newborns are weak, owing to the short gestation period, they do have strong forelimbs which help them crawl out of the pouch for feeding. More than 300 marsupial mammals are found in different parts of the world, while the long-tailed Planigle ingrami, is the smallest marsupial on Earth, measuring around 55 to 65 m and weighing about 4.2 gm. The red kangaroo, Macropus rufus, is the largest, measuring 4 ft 7 in length and weighing 190 lb. This aptly highlights the great deal of diversity when it comes to marsupials. List of extant marsupials: southern hairy-nosed wombat, agile wallaby, brush-tailed Bayton gecko, Tasmanian devil red kangaroo, common brush-tailed possum, Tasmanian pademelo red-necked wallaby, eastern grey kangaroo, Tasmanian pygmy possum, koala, ring-tailed possum, Goodfellow's tree kangaroo, rock wallaby, yellow-footed rock wallaby. CR critically endangered N, endangered WO, vulnerable NT, near threatened LC, least concern DD, data deficient NE, not evaluated name, scientific name, range, conservation status S. ramarca, gracile opossum, Gracillinanas, S. ramarcae, Bolivia and Peru, LC. Admiralty Island cuscus, Spilocuscus crimeri, Papua New Guinea, NT, agile Antichinus, agilis, Australia, LC. agile gracile opossum, Gracillinanas agilis, Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Peru, Paraguay, and Uruguay, LC. agile wallaby, Macropus agilis, Australia and Papua New Guinea, LC. agricolous gracile opossum, Cryptonanus agricolae, Brazil, DD. Alexandria Falls, Antichinus pseudentechinus mimulus, Australia, an allied rock wallaby, Petrogle assimilis, Australia, LC. Alston's mouse opossum, Mycorrhus alstonibulus, Colombia, Costa Rica, Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua, and Panama, LC. Amazonian red-sided opossum, Monodelphis glerina, Bolivia, Brazil, and Peru, LC. Andean cane-listed cane-laced Condorensis, Ecuador, WO. Andean white-eared opossum, Didelphis pernigra, Bolivia, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, and Venezuela, LC. Anderson's four-eyed opossum, Philander andersoni, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, and Venezuela, LC. Antilopine kangaroo Macropus antilopinus, Australia LC Arfak, pygmy, bandicoot Microperyx, Aplini Indonesia dd Argentine fat, tailed mouse opossum Thilmes, Sponsorius, Argentina and Bolivia LC Etherton Antichinus, Godamani, Australia, Banded hair wallaby, Lagostrophus fasciatus, Australia N. Bangagai, Cuscus, Striguscus pelagiensis, Indonesia LC, bear-tailed woolly mouse opossum Mycorrhiza regina, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru and Bolivia LC, bear-tailed woolly opossum Callurmes philander, Bolivia, Brazil, French Guiana, Guyana, Suriname, Trinidad and Tobago, and Venezuela LC Bennett's tree kangaroo Dendrolgus benetianus, Australia NT Biak, glider Petaurus bicensis, Indonesia LC big-eared opossum, Dadelphis aurita, Argentina, Brazil and Paraguay LC bishop slender opossum Marmosops bishopi, Brazil, Peru, and Bolivia LC black Dorcopsis atrita, Papua New Guinea CR black-flanked rock wallaby Petrogle lateralis, Australia NT black-shouldered opossum Callurmiciops erupta, Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, and Peru LC black-spotted Cuscus Spilocuscus rufoniger, Indonesia and Papua New Guinea CR black-striped wallaby Macropus dorsalis, Australia LC, black-tailed the Sure murixacinus melanurus, Indonesia and Papua New Guinea LC, blue-eyed Cuscus phalanger Matabiru, Indonesia, blue-eyed spotted Cuscus Spilocuscus wilsoni, Indonesia, CR Budi betongia, Leisure, Australia, NT Bulanger, Island Dunnarth, Sminthopsis bulungerensis, Australia NE, Brazilian gracile opossum Gracilinus microters, Brazil LC, Brazilian slender opossum Marmosops paulensis, Brazil LC, bridled nail-tail wallaby, Onychogelia frenta, Australia and broad striped the Sure Permorexia rothschildi, Papua New Guinea, bronze quoll Desirus spartacus, Indonesia and Papua New Guinea anti-brown Antichinus stuarti, Australia LC brown Dorcopsis muelleri, Indonesia LC brown four-eyed opossum, Metachirus myoceros, Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Costa Rica, Ecuador, French Guiana, Guyana, Mexico, Nicaragua, Panama, Paraguay, Peru, Suriname, and Venezuela LC brown-eared woolly opossum Callurmes lenatus, Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Guyana, Paraguay, Peru, and Venezuela LC browns Pademelo, Thilogle, Brahmi, Indonesia and Papua New Guinea, brush-tailed Mulgara, Dasycercus, Blithi, Australia LC brush-tailed Fescagel, Tapotfa, Australia NT brush-tailed rock wallaby, Petrogle, Penicillata, Australia NT buff-bellied, fat-tailed mouse, opossum Thilmes vanestus, Argentina and Bolivia dd bushy-tailed opossum Glironia venusta, Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador and Peru, LC Kelbais, Pademelo Thilogle Calabai, Papua New Guinea and Cape York rock wallaby, Petrogle coinensis, Australia NT, Carpentarian Dunnarth, Sminthopsis butleri, Australia, Chaco gracile opossum Cryptoninus chacoensis, Argentina, Brazil, and Paraguay LC Chaco pygmy opossum Chacodelphis formosa, Argentina, chestnut Dunnarth, Sminthopsis archeri, Papua New Guinea and Australia dd, chestnut striped opossum Monodelphis rubida, Brazil, dd, Cinderella, fat-tailed mouse opossum Thilmes, Cinderella, Argentina and Bolivia LC cinereus, ringtail possum Pseudochirulus cinereus, Australia LC cinnamon, Antichinus leo, Australia LC clarus, spiny bandicoot Echimiptera clara, Indonesia and Papua New Guinea LC common brushtail possum Trichoceros vulpecula, Australia LC common fat-tailed mouse Opossum thilmes pusillus, Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil and Paraguay LC common Opossum Didelphis marsupialis, Argentina, Belize, Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Costa Rica, Ecuador, El Salvador, French Guiana, Guatemala, Guyana, Honduras, Mexico, Nicaragua, Panama, Paraguay, Peru, Suriname, Trinidad and Tobago, and Venezuela. LC. Rock haunting ringtail possum Petropseudes, Delhi, Australia. LC. Ronald's opossum Monodelphis ronaldi, Peru. LC. Rory Cooper's Falls Antichinus, Pseudentechinus, Rory, Australia. LC. Rothschild's Cuscus Phallinger, Rothschildi, Indonesia. LC. Rothschild's Rock Wallaby, Petrogle Rothschildi, Australia. LC. Rufus, Hare Wallaby, Lagorchestes, Hirsutus, Australia. Wu Rufus Mouse Opossum Marmosa lepida, Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Guyana, Peru and Suriname. LC. Rufus Rat Kangaroo, Epipremnus rufescens, Australia. LC. Sandhill Dunnarth, Sminthopsis pusmophila, Australia. and Sandstone Dibbler, Pseudentechinus billerni, Australia. NT. Scaly-tailed possum Vulda, Squamicordata, Australia. DD sepia, short-tailed opossum Monodelphis adusta, Colombia, Ecuador, Panama, Peru and Venezuela. LC. Serum bandicoot, Rhynchomys pratorum, Indonesia. and Ceres tree kangaroo, Dendrolgus stalerum, Indonesia and Papua New Guinea. Wu short-eared possum Trichoceros caninus, Australia. LC. Short-eared rock wallaby Petrogle brachiotis, Australia. LC. Short-furred the Suremurexia longicordata, Indonesia and Papua New Guinea. LC. Silky Cuscus phallinger sericeus, Indonesia and Papua New Guinea. LC. Slender-tailed Dunnarth, Sminthopsis murina, Australia. LC. Small Dorcopsis, Dorcopsulus vanhurni, Indonesia and Papua New Guinea. NT. Sooty Dunnarth, Sminthopsis fuliginus, Australia. DD. Southeastern four-eyed opossum Philander frenatus, Brazil, Paraguay and Argentina. LC. Southern brown bandicoot Isudo obsulus, Australia. LC. Southern common Cuscus phallinger mimicus, Australia, Indonesia and Papua New Guinea. LC. Southern hairy-nosed wombat Laserhinus latifrans, Australia. LC. Southern marsupial mole notrix Typhlops, Australia. DD. Southern Ningoi Yavonie, Australia. LC. Southern red-sided opossum Monodelphis sorix, Argentina, Brazil and Paraguay. LC. Southern three-striped opossum Monodelphis theriza, Brazil. DD. Southwestern pygmy possum Sarcardatus concinus, Australia. LC. Speckled the Sure Newfest Guggle, Laurentizi, Indonesia and Papua New Guinea. LC. Spectacled hare wallaby Lagorchestes conspicillatus, Australia and Papua New Guinea. LC. Squirrel glider Petaurus norfolcensis, Australia. LC. Steens Cuscus phallinger vestitus, Indonesia and Papua New Guinea. LC. Stripe-faced Dunnarth Sminthopsis macra, Australia. LC. Striped possum Dactylopsilla triviragta, Australia, Indonesia and Papua New Guinea. LC. Subtropical Antichinus subtropicus, Australia. LC. Sugar glider Petaurus breviceps, Australia. LC. Sulawesi bear Cuscus Eleurops ursinus, Indonesia. Wu Sulawesi dwarf Cuscus Striguscus celibensis, Indonesia. Wu swamp Antichinus minimus, Australia. LC. Swamp wallaby or black wallaby Volbia bicolor, Australia. LC. Taloth bear Cuscus Eleurops milnotis, Indonesia. CR. Tamer wallaby Macropus eugeni, Australia. LC. Tasmanian devil Sarcophilus harisi, Australia and Tasmanian Pademelo Thilogle billardiri, Australia and Papua New Guinea. LC. Tasmanian pygmy possum Sarcartatus lepidus Australia LC tates, fat-tailed mouse opossum Thilmes tate, Peru DD tates, Trioc dactylopsilla tate Papua, New Guinea N tates, Trioc dactylopsilla tate Papua, New Guinea N tates, woolly mouse opossum Mycorrhiza paraguayanus Brazil, Paraguay, and Argentina LC tailiformin Cuscus phalanger matneem Papua, New Guinea CR, Tankil dendrolgus, Scotte Papua, New Guinea CR3 striped dasyure, Myoictis melas, Indonesia, and Papua, New Guinea LC tiger Quoll dasyurus, maculatus, Australia Tropical Antichinus, adustus, Australia LC. Tissuti slender opossum Marmosops impavidus, Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Paraguay, Peru and Venezuela, LC. Tyleria, mouse opossum Marmosa tyleriana, Venezuela, DD unadorned rock wallaby, Petrogule inornata, Australia, LC, Unduevi gracile. Opossum Cryptonanus unduevensis, Bolivia, DD Ursine tree, kangaroo Dendrolgus ursinus, Indonesia, Virginia, opossum Didelphis virginiana, Canada, United States, Mexico, Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua, and Costa Rica, LC, Vogelkop, ringtail, possum Pseudochirulus schlegeli, Indonesia, Vuvejo, Cuscus, Spilocuscus, papuensis, Indonesia, V. wallicis dasyure, Myoictis walsi, Indonesia and Papua New Guinea, any water opossum Chironax minimus, Mexico, Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, French Guiana, Suriname, Brazil, Ecuador, Peru, Paraguay, Brazil, and Argentina LC Western Barred Bandicoot Paramuls Bougainville, Australia, and Western Brush Wallaby Macropus Irma, Australia, LC Western Grey Kangaroo Macropus fuliginus, Australia, LC Western Quoll dasyurus Geoffroy, Australia, NT Western Striped Bandicoot Microperix longicoda, Indonesia and Papua New Guinea, LC Wayland ringtail possum Pseudochirulus caroli, Indonesia, LC white-bellied fat-tailed mouse opossum Thilmes, Palideer Argentina, Bolivia, Chile and Peru, LC white-bellied slender opossum Marmosops noctivagus, Bolivia, Brazil, Ecuador and Peru, LC white-bellied woolly mouse opossum Mycorrhiza constantiae, Bolivia, Brazil, and Argentina, LC. White-eared opossum Didelphis albiventris, Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Paraguay, and Uruguay, LC. White-footed Dunarth Sminthopsis leucopus, Australia, Wu white-striped Dorcopsis hageni, Indonesia, and Papua New Guinea, LC. White-tailed Dunarth Sminthopsis granulips, Australia, LC. Wongai, Ningoi Ridi, Australia, LC. Wood sprite gracile, opossum gracilinus, Trias Colombia and Venezuela, NT. Woodlark, Cuscus phalanger Lalule, Papua New Guinea, and Woodward's Wallaroo, Macropus bernardus, Australia, NT. Woolies, False Antichinus pseudentachinus woollier, Australia, LC. Woolly mouse opossum Mycorrhiza demerari, Colombia, Venezuela, French Guiana, Suriname, Peru, Bolivia, and Brazil, LC. Voili Betongia penicillata, Australia, CR. Yellow-bellied glider Petaurus australis, Australia, LC. Yellow-footed Antichinus flaviceps, Australia, LC. Yellow-footed rock wallaby Petrogle Xanthopus, Australia, NT. Yellow-sided opossum Monodelphis dimidiata, Argentina, Brazil, and Uruguay, LC. As you must have noticed, several species in this list are enlisted as endangered or critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. If we don't come up with concrete measures to save them, they will soon feature in the list of extinct marsupials, which already has names like the Tasmanian tiger aka Thylacine, Thylacinus cynocephalus, crescent nail-tail wallaby, Onychogalia lunta, desert rat kangaroo, Calprenus campestris, desert bandicoot, Paramus eremiana, two-leg wallaby, Macropus grey, red-bellied gracile opossum, Cryptoninus ignitus, pig-footed bandicoot, Cheropus ecaudatus, and lesser bilby, Macritus leucura, to its credit.